Google, or any other search engine for that matter, cares about value, not the method of creation. Doesn't matter if your content is AI generated or human written. All that matters is whether your content is fulfilling your target audience's queries or not. Your only aim is to create people-first content for your audience, not for the search engine. And AI-generated content can help you reach your target audience in less time with more efficiency. How? Write helpful content that can add value to your audience. Follow Google's EEAT model, that is, show experience, effectiveness, and authoritativeness through your content and gain trustworthiness. Humanize your content so that your audience can relate to it. It's been proven that Google ranks content that is helpful, trustworthy, and optimized with a human touch to it. So, don't know how to humanize your AI-generated content? I'm here to help. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple steps which you can use to humanize your AI content. Select an AI tool. There are tons of tools out there which can help you humanize your AI content. But for this video, we are using GetGenie AI to bring out the best results for you. Fact-checking your AI content is the most important part before you publish your content. AI can be a fantastic assistant, but it's important that you take control of your content. So make sure that you take your time to verify all the claim it makes. Proofread for language, grammar, and sentence structure in your content. Personalize and edit your content for your target group. For example, add relevant idioms, jargons, emotions, and much more that your audience can relate to. Here's a tip: add your own experience and real-life situations. People love hearing to real-life stories and situations so that they can relate to your content much better. Optimize your content for SEO and keywords placement. You can use GetGenie AI to avoid keyword stuffing, making your keyword research much easier. Maintain brand voice. Keep your content consistent with your brand's tone and style. Here are some bonus tips you can use to humanize your AI content. Remember, better input is equals to better output. Be specific and accurate with prompts to your AI tool. Incorporate first-person pronouns. For example, use I, we, and my to add a personal touch. Communicate authority. Use statistics, case studies, graphs or charts, and tables. Rewrite overused phrases. Avoid cliché words to sound more authentic. Use the active voice. This is the most important part while you create your content. Rewrite content in active voice for more clarity and engagement. Creating content is all about making connection with your audience. Even though AI can help, it's still very important to keep your content relevant and real. Follow these simple steps to make sure your content is reliable and meaningful for your audience. Keep improving your content based on user intent, and most importantly, keep your audience first. Hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, do not forget to share, like, and comment. I'll see you in my next video to make your content shine with GetGenie AI.